Could you repeat me, please?
Can you
Uh,
talk about yourself? I like to know about
okay.
you more.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you,
Uh-huh.
Muhammad. My name is Julian Lopez.
Julian. Uh-huh.
Sí. In English, usually in English, it pronounced Julian, no?
Uh-huh.
In
Yes,
Spanish,
yes. Uh,
okay, in
yeah.
Spanish it's Julian. Uh, I'm from Colombia. I'm from Colombia.
Uh-huh.
I live in Bogota. Bogota
Mm-hmm.
is the capital city.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Um, I'm 49 years old. I'm married.
Mm-hmm.
I have two children, Franco and Dana.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
They are eight, 17 and 15 years.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'm an accountant. I am
Uh-huh.
accountant.
Uh-huh.
And the most important uh, is that I study English because I need to travel to Canada next year. Next
Mm-hmm.
year,
Mm-hmm.
uh, my family and I hope to travel, hope to study and working in Canada. No,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
uh, uh, that is the reason that uh, I have many reasons for studying English.
Mm-hmm.
New opportunities in my job. In my job.
Uh-huh.
Uh, but the mainly reason is la possibility of to travel next year
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
to Canada, Mohammed.
Okay, okay. Very good, very good.
Mhm.
And can you tell me about your past experience of learning English, the sources and the methodologies that you using?
Okay, yes. I I have trying to learn English by
Uh-huh.
myself.
Uh-huh.
I take uh, a little lessons in on preply
Uh-huh.
before, but uh, the the major the major time is I have studied by myself, Muhammad.
Uh-huh. 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 Uh-huh.
Um,
So,
yeah,
can I
in,
ask you what
obviously,
did you
in the school, but
Uh-huh.
a lot of time, yeah, in my school. Uh, uh, I often, for example, listening to music in English.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I I read news, news in English.
Mm-hmm.
I listen news.
So,
Um,
mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
uh,
Who is
I,
the
I, I,
nation
I, I,
series?
okay. I try to be in contact with English, no, but
Mm-hmm.
because I like it. I love studying English.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I think is very